You could go like this.
You have to go easy.
Go like this. Can you do it like that?
Yay!
A lot more. You can hold it if you want.
Yep.
Here, you want to hold it?
You have to go nice.
Yep, dip it in there. All the way down. There you go. Now pull it up.
Have Grandma do it once. She does a lot of bubbles.
Whoops. Watch your head.
Have Grandma do it. She'll blow them right on you.
Doesn't have any in there now. Here.
Have Grandma try it.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Blow it right on him. Oh no! I'm not doing anything. Look at, here they come! Oh no! Here they come again! They're going bye-bye! Oh no, look at them all. Arthur, look up! Look up! There they are! They're all over the place! Hee.
You like them? You want to do it?
Yeah.
All right, you do it. Arthur, remember? Arthur.
Blow softly. Because you're kind of going, you're spitting. You should go like a soft wind.
Harder, a little harder.
But
Oh, very close.
good. You got to do it like that, but turn it this way.
Do it.
Yep, that's good.
Oh,
Like
one more
that.
time.
Yep.
You'll get it this time.
There you
Yay!
go. Exactly. Yep.
Yay!
Whoa!
Whoa, look at them all.
Very good. Whee!
Yay! Oh, that didn't work out too good.
This is a little hard.
I felt it over here. Yay!
Woo!
Now, Grandma, blow some on you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Ready?
here they come. Oh no!
Okay.
All right, your turn.
Woo!
Oh, yay!
Ready? Woo!
Grandma's turn.
No Grandma's here.
Okay. Woo! That's pretty good. A little bit softer.
There you go.
Yeah.
Really good.
That's good. Woo! You can do them up in the air even like this.
Here they come.
See you?
Here come the bubbles.
Way up high, huh?
Here they come. They're coming down.
They're on the ceiling.
Here they come.
Your turn. You're still coming down.
Your turn.
Oh! Yeah, good.
My turn. Then up.
Up high. Up high.
Ready?
Here they come. Here they come.
Is that good? Yeah.
And then you up.
Up?
Yeah.
Okay. Come more still.
Yay!
Some more? Whoops. You can do it softer. Softer, a little bit softer.
We're up.
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 There, up. Hi. Woo! It's your turn? More?
No.
Up high? Come there. bubbles.
Here they come.
They're still.
They're coming. Look at them. Look at them all, Arthur. Here they come. Grandma's making it rain bubbles. She's making it rain money. Did I wake you up, Dempsey? Because I'm making it rain?
Wanna try?
Okay.
Okay, don't take one up.
What?
This is
Sit in your lap?
Okay.